guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick video. I want to show you guys how you can disguise your edges if you're having problem like myself, that I have a postpartum shed, and as you can see, all my edges are gone. They're all like ripped off basically. And if you want to wear your hair natural and you don't want to make this obvious, you want to hide it, I want to show you guys how you can go ahead and disguise this until your edges grows back. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna go ahead and use your eyebrow gel. That's what I'm using. This one is from Rimmel London, and a brush, like a Bristol brush like this, and you're gonna use eyebrow pencil. Basically it's like a little brush. So I've got another one here, but I prefer to use this one. So all you're gonna go ahead is after I've packed my hair, put it in a bun that I want to wear, then I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush into the pencil. You're gonna make sure that you're not taking too much at a time. You're just gonna take a little bit by little bit, and then you're gonna go ahead and start dabbing it on your hairline. Just, you know, like stroke it as if you're stroking your eyebrows, just to get that look that's not like, what is it, like umber look kind of thing. I don't know if that's the right word, but like you're gonna go ahead and stroke it anyways until you cover most of the areas that you want to hide. Just gently take it and stroke or dab. I don't know, actually I wouldn't say dab, I would say stroke, because then you're not trying to dab a lot on one particular area and then it looks too dark, especially if your hair is darker than the gel itself. So you're just gonna go ahead and keep stroking it like so, and keep going, stroke it. My apologies, the lighting in this place is just ridiculous. Don't worry if you got it on your hairline that, you know, further than you need to. You can go ahead and just wipe it off afterwards. And I'm just still going just with a little bit, not so much on the brush, because I try to buy I know there is a brand that you can use to do this, that's like hair or whatever it looks like a fiber material. I can't get my hands on them. I tried to buy it, but I don't know if they were out of stock or whatever it is. I just couldn't buy it for whatever reason, I don't know. So I thought about this. I thought, why not use my hair gel and do this until I'll be able to find it somewhere. So once I'm done with that, if I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go ahead with my brush, and I have to look at a mirror so I'll make sure that I'm doing it properly. Go ahead with my brush and start to blend it properly so that you will not be able to see where I put the strokes of colors. And as you can see, it's already disappearing. And if you're not happy with the result, you can go ahead and do it once again. This time I'm going to look at a mirror so I know exactly what needs doing. And the good side of things is that it's not obvious. What is wrong with this lightening? So I'm happy with the results, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a bit more brushing just to make sure that everything blends properly. If anybody have any idea on how to grow your edges back after postpartum shedding, please leave your comment down below, because I'm struggling. I've only just started, you know, getting back on my hair, because most of the time, ever since I had a baby, I've been wearing my hair on protective styling, and that has also contributed to my edges really going. But I'm ready to regrow it now. So I'm just literally doing this now to disguise it until my hair grows back. But if anybody have any idea, please leave your comment down below. I will be quite happy to you know, give it a go, because this hair has got to grow back, because I don't really like having my hair on protective styling for a really long time. So yeah, so that's it guys. I hope that you like it. This is the after result. It's nothing compared to how it was before. This is a lot improved, and it doesn't look as bad as it looked before. It's still there obviously, but it's not as bad. Like I said, this I can manage, and people won't be looking at me in a funny way until my edges grows back. But yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more videos, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. God bless.